No, no. What have I done to my car? What did I do to the paint job? Yikes. So the headlights are not working. The pop-ups are not coming on. The headlights, low beams or high beams, are not turning on in the rear. And I believe it has something to do with the steering column and something touching ground, because I kind of locked the steering wheel, turn it both ways, and I could produce a new condition. Now, yeah, that's a new condition. So we're going to get this wheel off, and then we're going to take out the part of the steering column, and we're going to put things back together the right way. So as I was taking this apart, I kind of removed the horn, and noticed, for one thing, this. That could be a ground touching something that shouldn't, which could cause the horn to turn on and cause other things not to work, because the horn is turned into the light. So if we leave that like that, I don't know if that's going to do it, but it's going to at least, I think I need to plug that in. And if I plug it in, nothing. Not to here. Oh, there we go. There's that part. So that has to go somewhere, but that's a start. Then I can remove that piece. Yeah, that's right. So I want to take y'all through some backyard mechanics 101. I kept thinking about this, and I said, what did I take apart? Because when I brought the car home, the lights worked. So I said, it's got to be touching ground, or there's something wrong. Maybe I have these connectors set up the wrong way. So I disconnected this one completely. And now, if I turn the button, I have a headlight. And on this side, if I hit the brake, wherever the brake is, nope, that's the clutch, I got a brake light. So now I got to figure out what's happening on my passenger side that's touching, that's causing, but I at least I know my stock and everything else works. And now when I have that on, which is cool, I don't have the high beam. So it's something going on in the front of the car. And now both of them work. Ladies and gentlemen, I have lights at least. So now that I have lights, and I want to make sure, do I have that other one plugged in? Both in my brake. I have at least brake lights. I think I got to get some new bulbs for my tail lights. But if I, no, I only got one side over there. It probably needs a little work. Wait, which one was that again? Because I might not even have a bulb in that part. For the brake light, it is the, nope, clutch. Oh yeah, I don't even have a bulb there. That's why. So now I know. The only thing I got to work on now is figuring out how to get my pop-up lights to go up and down. But at least if I get those and I get the brake lights, actual bulbs, I'll be able to drive at night. Sweet. So I kept looking here, and it just didn't look right. And it just seemed like it was missing something. And so I found this. I don't know if that's the right relay, but we'll see. All right, so I have those side markers hooked up. I'm gonna hit the button. I blew a couple fuses, but I think I got the right hookup this time. Let's see if we get lights on for a second. Yep, boom, they're on for a second. They're blowing, cool. This is how many attempts it took to get the lights and other things working in the car, including a couple of burns. Look at that one right there. That's almost a fire right there. Almost a fire. If at first you don't succeed, try again. So I want to show y'all something. This reflection after buffing. Look at that. Look at that reflection. It's not bad. That's not bad at all. I still got some, I could cut it down a little bit more, but we're gonna set here for right now. I think that looks pretty good. Let me see here. For yellow, yep,